Would you like to keep your haircut fresh between the barber visits? Or how about trimming your hair yourself in your bathroom for free? We introduce our improved hair clipping kit for professional trimming from the comfort of your home. It was designed after careful analysis of customers' reviews, so it has some enhanced features you'll love. Thanks to the excellent battery capacity, the clipper can work for around 5 hours on a single charge. The blades of Primens hair clipper are made of high carbon steel to ensure excellent sharpness. A powerful motor guarantees a smooth trimming experience without pulling your hair out. Smart display will let you know the remaining power of the battery. An orange light appears when it's time to oil the blades. When the battery goes lower than 15%, the indicator will turn red and will become blue when the battery is fully charged. An adjustable taper lever allows you to set the precise length of the hair left for a neat cut, which is especially useful for shading. You get 6 guard combs along with other accessories in the set. To use one of the guard combs, just turn the attachment comb upside down, put the teeth of the clipper's blades into the teeth of the guard comb, and snap it on. With our hair cutting set, you can finally have the hairstyle of your dream. Get a celeb-like buzz cut with Primens.